Hi everyone, it's Tuesday, November 1st, and this is your video for tonight. We started Unit 5 last week, and then we had a couple of days off for our team celebrations. So we're going to jump back into it today in class. And what you're going to need to do for homework is page 11 in your Unit 5 packet. It says fraction, decimal, percent, equivalency. And I've already told you that if you're at home for this unit, you can and should use a calculator if you have access to one. Now, if you don't have access to one, you can still do the homework. That's not a problem. You're just going to have to do more things by hand. So this is a chart that has different categories, and they're all going to be equivalent to each other. For example, number 1 is already done for you. Number 1 says number of squares out of 100, 75. Now 75 out of 100 in lowest terms is 3/4. As a decimal is 0.75 or 75 hundredths. As a percentage, 75%. And if you wrote that as a dollar, as a dollar amount, it would be 75 cents. So basically what you're given in each example is either 1 or 2 of the slots, and you need to fill in the rest. So I'll help you out with number 2. So we're given a fraction and a decimal. These are equivalent to each other. 1/5 is equivalent to 2/10. And if you don't remember, that would be 2/10, which is equal to 1/5. So those are equivalent to each other. So let's think about what this would be out of 100. If I have 2 out of 10, that's equivalent to 20 out of 100. So that's 20. Now my percent, here's a quick tip. This number and this number will always be the same numerical number, just obviously this one has the percentage sign. So whatever you get out of 100 is going to be equivalent to this one here. And now if it's equivalent dollar amount, 20% is 20 cents. So that's number 2. So what I need for you to do, and you can use a calculator if it helps. If you don't need to, that's fine as well, is complete the rest of these problems for tonight on page 11. And the easiest thing to do in a calculator, if you have a calculator that converts, is remember do 12 divided by 25. So you would type this into the calculator, 12 divided by 25, and press enter or equals or whatever your calculator shows. And that's going to give you your decimal. So you're going to have to play around with the calculator that you have and what type of buttons that has. But complete this, and if you don't need to use a calculator, that's fine. So I will see you in class tomorrow. Again, complete page 11 for homework tonight. And we will be checking this. This is the end of the video. See you tomorrow.